Next I'm going to install loops for my fishing rod. Here and here. Cut myself a bunch of spare loops, and I'm going to weld them on the sides here just for the heck of it. Better to have them, not need them, than need them and not have them, right? Wow, I ran out of wire. I'm gonna get a refill and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got all the fabricating finished, so I think I'm on the home stretch. I'm gonna wire brush all my welds, clean it up, and then use the angle grinder to smooth all the rough edges and things like that, and then I'm gonna paint it. I'm just going to use some trim clad black rust paint. Here's a tip for you. Okay, after you open a paint can, okay, what you want to do is store it upside down, because if you don't, this is what's going to happen. There's a crust that forms on the top. Hopefully I can salvage this. I want to make sure I get the welds very good, because they will be the first things to start to rust. Any metal that's heated will rust fast, quicker than the rest. Well guys, I'm all done. Check it out. It's gonna need a second coat of paint, but for now it'll do. Let's take a closer look. Alright. Looks a lot better painted. See, we've got, I've added these extra mounting points here, here, and here. We've got nice big anchor points in the corners there, some in the middle. Brackets turned out good for the axe. Okay. On the tip there's a mounting hole there and there. If I had some sort of big flat object, I could slide it in there. lash it from down there to up here if I wanted to, or cinch it down to there. Plenty of options. And I added mounting point here and here. That's for if I want to take my fishing rod along. I just string it between there and there and then tie it up from here to here. I could put, the reason I didn't put a bracket like that is I didn't want anything sticking out up here in case I want to put something big back here on the brackets. I can do that, but with this I can still tie a round object, or, you know, 2 fishing rods or whatever here if I want to. Let's make a comparison to put things in perspective. This is what you get at the store for 20 bucks. One rack that fits 1 gas can. Okay, so $20 for this, or $20 for that, where I can fit 3 gas cans, cooler, fishing gear, camping gear, whatever you want. It's very, very versatile. I think I made it as versatile as I could. That was my goal. So there it is. Unfortunately, I can't mount it to the ATV until this coming weekend. So what I'll end up doing is a review of my own product, okay, as a separate video.